My instinct was.
Hello guys, today I'm playing Subway Horror, and as you can see, I am already on chapter the second level. Oh my god, Thomas the tree. Oh hell no, hell no.
Hi kids.
Hi. Hell no. No thank you.
Okay.
Oh my god, Thomas, stop killing me.
Apparently they're numbers, but where? Do I have to go all the way back to the start? I might have to write this down because I got hit with a Chromebook computer once, so I think I have memory loss. Also, it's pretty recent. Oh my god.
Yes, finally, I got through.
Where are the dingin' dongin' numbers?
Oh yeah, right.
Jin, if you see the numbers, please tell me. I can't find anything.
Remember, it's on somewhere here. I remember you need to enter a wall somewhere.
Oh, did you already pass through the Thomas Chains?
Yeah.
Oh, I finished them. I'm not scared of them. And for some reason, at the end, I saw a guard that I jumped over immediately because he was ugly. Should I just guess? I'm gonna guess.
I need to find. I swear it was something.
Is something going to just come up and kill me if I get this thing wrong enough?
Just do not press the button.
Sure, I'm gonna press.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Oh my. Oh, okay. That's what happens when
I think there is a code on the Nokia phone, if I remember.
Man, now I have to go back to the trains, right?
Yes.
Dang
Oh
it.
my god.
Oh my god!
I got cooked.
I got flashbangs.
Nah, I got cooked.
I saw the guard, and then my first instinct.
Nah, when it's the guard, you just need to jump over him. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I jumped over him.
We died at the same time.
Yeah. Man, I
Hell
hate
no.
this. I shouldn't have pressed the button. So that's what happens. Oh my god.
Okay, so the guard doesn't do anything. I just literally went past it.
Alright, then I do not fear you, guard. I'm just gonna do this. No need to rush it. I'm just going to wait for the trains to come.
But I remember correctly, the Nokia phone does give you the code.
What does it? I hope I find the code.
Okay, found it. I'm not sure, bro, because...
Where did you find the Nokia?
Just press the button.
What button?
The button right next to the code thing.
Didn't the button just kill me?
Yeah, do not press this button. The Nokia has the password. I remember when this...
So do I have to press it again or something?
You do have to press it.
Oh god, I'm cooked. Oh, I'm supposed to dodge it. Can I dodge it?
No, you must die at there. But you can see the passcode. Let's see how you dodge these. You need to move forward and dodge it at the same time.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, your Wi-Fi is so cooked.
What?
Oh!
Why does he keep making sus music? Or sound? What does he keep doing?
Guys, don't
Why
mind
does
me.
he keep making those sounds?
I think the Nokia does give you the password.
Allahu Akbar, Bismillah, please let me see the password.
Run.
Oh!
1652? Zero.
Wait, doesn't... But that's two little numbers. I need like an extra number. 0... Oh, 0, 0. I had a 0.
I tried the 0, bro.
Yeah. Oh, wait. What if I put the 0 first?
Something else dropped. For me, it's something else.
I guess I have to press the button again. Alright, hopefully this works.
Wait, what is 6,
Alright, I'm gonna press the
5,
button.
6, 2, 7?
What if I press the button again?
I don't think so, bro.
Wait, I can only press it once. Then how else do I move this giant brick?
Oh yeah, look at mines.
Oh, you dodged the first thing. You have to press the button again. You have to die and then press the button again.
I don't know what's the code.
How am I supposed to do anything? I don't get my own existence.
Wait, let me see the Nokia phone.
Have a look. This is all it shows me.
16527. What is that? 6527. What is it?
Wait, let me try 6527.
15627.
Why am I lagging? Why?
My computer has better Wi-Fi.
Yeah, maybe because I'm recording. Wait,
I'm also recording.
Alright, then what was the password again?
16527. Try that. I'm not sure. I'm not past yet.
5, 2, 7. Dang it! How do I get through you? You dumb boy!
Wait, shouldn't there be a password on the Nokia?
Maybe I should look behind it.
I'm looking everywhere, bro.
Just no here.
I'm just looking everywhere. And also, I just got this dumb thing.
Yeah, I don't think the Nokia has the passcode. I'm gonna look around.
Do you have any tools from?
Wait a minute, I could just press shift and then I move faster?
Yes.
I don't have to press like W?
No. I accidentally pressed R, bro.
What does R do?
You restart.
Oh.
Why did you restart, bro?
I think I have an idea. I think I die and then like something new shows up. And then maybe it could be the code after a while. I do not like.
Oh wait, 648, 648, 648 something. 6484. Wait, there is codes on trains.
This is all I found.
There's codes on trains. Find the numbers. There are numbers 5, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 6.
4. I found 4.
5, 6, 6. 5, 6, 6, 3. 5, 6, 6, 3. 5, 6, 6, 3, 1. 5, 6, 6, 3, 1. 5, 6, 6, 3, 1. 5, 6, 6, 3, 1. 5, 6, 6, 3, 1. 5, 6, 6, 3, 1.
0, 0.
5, 6,
0,
6,
2.
5, 6, 6,
Ah!
5, 6, 6, 0, 1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 1. 5, 6, 6, 1,
2, 1.
0.
Nothing.
5, 6,
Ah!
6,
Oh my god, bro!
9.
How am I supposed to do this dingling?
Do you have a sticky note?
No. 0.
I need something to write.
7. 0, 7, and 7. Wait. 0, 0, 7, 7. 2 2 0 7 2.
Ah! Chat, is there any use of this? No?
Maybe.
I don't care anymore. First number is 2, okay?
Oh my god, I keep dying because I keep trying to look at the dingle dingle.
Okay, first first
while.
number.
This might take me like
0
20 minutes.
0 2.
Tops.
Oh my god!
Nothing.
Now I gotta restart all over again.
7 0. Nothing. 5
Nothing. Nothing. 6
7
6
0 5
0.
4.
Oh my god, stop dying. Yeah, Habibi, stop dying, please.
I'm blocked in, but I can't even memorize anything because of how blocked in I am. Jin,
8
Jin, can I use that?
8
When you're
4.
done with that paper, can I use that paper?
8 4.
Not press the
8
button?
4. Oh my! Every time when I try to write something,
Nokia! There you are! Mwah. Mwah.
Okay, first number is 7
Mwah.
7 0 7 0
Use the pen.
7 0 5 7 0 5 6 7 0 5 6 7 0 5 6 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5 7 0 5 6 5.
Let me write it for you.
Wait. 7 0 5 6 5 7. Oh, let's go.
It's my turn.
Okay, I'll write the numbers for you.
Alright.
Okay, tell me.
Here's
No,
this.
I can use this.
Okay, let me just.
I'll watch the codes, okay? Okay, guys,
Nothing,
this
nothing,
thing needs teamwork.
Nothing.
Nothing.
6 2
2. Okay.
6 2 8
8.
Nothing.
Nothing.
6
6. Okay, 6 2 8 6 6. Now just dodge everything. 6 2 8 6 6.
Why are they appearing like in front of me? Like ghosts?
6 2 8 6 6. Okay.
Okay.
6 2 8 6 6.
Yes! Finally!
Now let's pass.
I was gonna press the button. Alright, let's.
I think this is where his friend comes. Oh wait. I see a guitar.
I see the guitar too! That
How-
was like the first thing I saw, genuinely. 100%. Oh, I hit stuff.
Oh yeah, you have to spray and
Oh,
see.
man. Oh, that's what they do. The trains just become like monsters and then.
Oh wait, a laptop. Yeah. Check the wagons. Okay.
Oh. So I just gotta kill anything I see.
Okay. Okay, I found a coin. Okay, this is a chicken. Honestly, Chad, if you see a chicken, do not hit it.
Okay.
Don't hit anything besides the coin, okay?
It's okay.
Don't hit anything besides the coin. Oh, hell no.
I'm just gonna switch to the spray for now. Like that thing doesn't really do any harming. I think I saw a computer. I think I see a computer.
You definitely need to click the computer. Oh my god, bro.
Why are there teeth? What is with the creepy looking teeth?
Okay, 2.
Also, why can't I grab the computer? the computer says something that I can't really see.
Okay, that's a coin.
What happens if I Jin, what happens when I see creepy mouse?
What creepy mouse?
Like these?
You're supposed to be the coins.
I don't have to like grab coins and feed them.
Yeah.
I don't really see any coins though.
You're supposed to smack the wagon.
Oh.
You're supposed to use the spray and then hit the wagons, and then it will give you the coins. If it's a coin, okay? But if it's a spider, do not hit it, no matter what. I can't get this coin. Oh, okay.
But I can't see coins. Like I only see wagons.
You need to press the computer first.
The computer?
Yes.
I think I didn't. I think I have to click on the. Okay, I'll click on it. Well, how do I remove my items?
Just click on one or two. You press number 2 and smack it. Guys, I watched a YouTuber play this before, so don't ask me why.
Alright, just
Jed, I'm going to the next level, okay?
Okay.
Guys, I'm going to the next level while Jad beats the other level.
I get it. So I have to like press.
Guys, I remember this level. If I think I'm supposed to go through a tunnel.
Anything I see? Oh no, not the chicken, not the chicken.
Yes, I found the tunnel.
Am I supposed to hit the chicken? Should I hit the chicken or not? Jin!
No chickens. If you see the chicken, just don't hit it.
What about spider?
Spider, nah.
Coin. I see you. Spider.
Okay.
I think I got enough coins. I'm going back.
Where is the light? Limbs.
I got 4 coins. Now, how am I supposed to? Oh, I'm supposed to click it again. Oh no, I accidentally hit it. Dang it!
There's supposed to be a limp part anywhere here.
Wait, why is it Skibidi Twins? I'm going to see Skibidi Twins. This game?
Yes.
That's crazy, bro. I don't want to see Skibidi Twins.
Guys, I'm looking everything just to find.
I'm la. Okay, I'm not lagging.
Guys, where's that little tiny man?
I accidentally restarted the level.
Where's the man, bro?
I wonder what the chicken looks like. Oh my god!
He is supposed to be in here, though. Guys, isn't he supposed to be in here?
Dang it.
I think I need to open every single light. If I correct.
Alright, I'm gonna put that there for now. Oh my god! Not I'm not hitting any of you.
Found libs. Where am I gonna use it?
Spider.
Guys, where the heck is my man?
Who what man?
Limb.
Coin and spider.
Limbs. Now he should be anywhere. Somewhere over here or somewhere.
Spider.
He's at second floor.
I should stay away from you. You're cooked.
Oh wait, guys. Now I get it.
What? Spider. Coin.
Yes.
Wait, what?
You still need 4 more.
I know. I gotta feed like each mouse. Now how do I think I have to click it again. Do I have to?
Yeah. You have to click. Wait, what? I think there is yeah. Wait, I think there is did you click the computer at the start?
Yeah.
I did not hear what the heck did he say, but I suppose this key is for the big door.
I can't really hit any rest of them. Is there anything left?
Guys, Subway horror is not even horror, honestly. To be honest, guys.
Yeah, the only thing I heard was Skibidi. What time is it now? Is there any like
Guys, help me.
computers? What?
Guys, I'm stuck. Yay.
Is there any second computer or something? How about
Okay, guys.
because he doesn't know. Should I just hit this for a bit? Am I supposed to hit you?
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys.
Oh, I get it. I have to gamble like 4 times. I have to guess. Oh, come on. Jin, what was it? What was it last time?
Let's go.
Hey, Jin.
Just to check the air. No, it tells me what time
Jin,
and
what am I supposed to do from the from the
222.
Jin?
Yeah, 222.
Hey, Jin, what am I supposed to do at this level? Please tell me. I beg you.
Go to the start and you should have a computer.
I checked this earlier. I'll check it again.
Get away from me. Get away, you dogs.
Nothing. Oh, there you are.
Frostbite, okay. I have a bad feeling about this one.
Already spiders. Loyal coin.
Okay, let's get that. Guys, he's frozen again?
Gonna be frozen.
No.
Spider. I got 1 coin.
That's what you get for jumping.
Man, my head hurts. Just get on.
I heard the frostbite, guys. Oh my god, guys, I died again. He was so close to dying.
Who are you trying to kill?
The man who turned so many people into monsters. Did I just fell off the map?
Finally! me. I'm done with you guys. I never want to see your ugly mouths again, you dogs. Now what? It's raining tacos.
Guys, I am so low health.
What am I supposed to do?
You need to watch him.
What's happening?
Guys, this boss fight is so intense. Guys, this level is hard.
Am I supposed to right click the door handle or something?
No, you need a key. Oh.
I need a key or something.
Yes, you do need a key. Oh my god, guys. He's too fat. This ugly man is too fat.
I'm currently in search of the key. Is there anything I could like that I can right click on?
Need to watch this man.
Key.
Guys, this man is too hard to beat.
Now can I do something? Nope.
Oh my god.
Let me go back.
Guys, the dogs. They're stuck. Okay. Take that frostbite.
What even was that? Like some kind of metal bar?
Let's go. Frostbite.
Huh?
Guys.
That's kind of scary.
I died because of 2 dogs.
There's somebody in here likes trains. Jin, what am I supposed? So where exactly is the light?
There's literally a small spider on the wall. Guys,
Why am I invading somebody's house?
you know it's the general's house. Oh. Just as exactly the time when I froze him.
Well, this man likes. Well, this general, I think he's a little too obsessed.
He wants to change so many people.
Also, who is this man supposed to be? Why is there a Thomas head with a beard?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is that some? I'm a little scared.
Bro, my first try.
Was
I
this
love
not
my
even
first try.
scary though?
Bro, stop with the dog. You look like a dog. Stop trolling. Stop trolling.
Am I fine?
I'll help you with this level, guys.
First, we need to go downstairs. I don't even know if I opened every light or not. No, you don't need every single light here. Then how many should I open? What? Let's make it worse. I'm just waiting to see that. I'm honestly a little more scared now. Why does this guy have black ear and a black kid ring on? Let me get up there. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna make him torture. Oh my! Why is there skibbity dog? Skibbity dogs!
Oh my god.
Albert.
Let's not mind that man.
Oh my god! What did I do to you?
He is definitely not okay.
He is alive though, so give him his honors.
Who is?
Oh my god!
Okay, guys. Okay, Frostbite.
Yeah, I know how to use this.
Stop!
I hope I don't get jump scared. Will you get jump scared?
Nope. Okay, I'm so close to defeating him, guys.
It's the general!
Okay, last hit, last few hits.
Why are you speaking Russian?
Yes!
Ow!
But we will meet again, little asshole.
Let's go, guys!
Revenge on you for everything you did to my black friend. Ciao, amigos.
Let's go, guys! We beat it, chapter 1! Let's go! Peace.